Welcome to the Android development tutorial. We are going to learn each and everything step by step, in Android Studio. We are using Vaser for Android development tutorial. In the next video tutorial we will teach you how to connect Vaser with Android Studio. Please do subscribe and press bell icon to get notified for the next video. To start creating an Android application, go to Android Studio. Select Start a new Android project. Select Empty Activity. And then, click Next. Select the folder where you need to save the application files. Or create a new folder to save it. Now go back to Android Studio, and change the save location, where we created the folder. Change the name of the project as First App, and also in the location, in order to save project in a separate folder. You can select any version, it's based on for which platform version you are creating the application. If you want to use older version libraries of Android Studio, then you can check this box. Since it is a new version of Android Studio, it contains Android's libraries. Leave it as it is, and click Finish. Wait till the process finished. It takes some time to create all the necessary files. These are the indications to know that the project is still loading. Android Studio gives you the tips to make you understand about this IDE. This is the main project screen where you can write the code and edit the files and designs. This is the section where your screen files saved just like this. This Java file can be opened by clicking this file. This is the main screen for designing all your application layout. In this palette, you can use buttons, texts, maps, everything you need to include in the application. If you closed this tab mistakenly, you can find it here. You can double-click it, or drag and drop into the editor to open it. This is the module, or layout, you design for your application. You can maximize, minimize, and look around using hand tool. You can see the design that has been appeared in the Attribute tab. You can design how you want to set the text. You can also search the attribute, and set the text size, style, etc. The size of the text has been set to 100 pixels. The layout has two different formats. One is blueprint layout, and the other is Design Layout. Or you can use both the layouts. For now, we are using Design Layout. Let's check how it works by clicking the play button. The application has successfully launched, but it has big size fonts. In order to reduce the size, go to the attributes and change it. Rerun it again. Here our first app has successfully created. Let's try adding another text, and a new button. Drag and drop a new text view, and change the text to second text. And a new button. Rerun it again. Oops, the design is not perfect, so let's do it by fixing the constraints. Here you can see, it has some errors or improper alignments. Let's fix it. Use these points to set the constraints. Rerun it again. You have created a first app successfully. You can check the files of your project in the File Explorer. You can see the project in Android Studio, as same as in File Explorer. Here you can find the files in folders of your connected mobile device via Vaser. Change back from project to Android, for easy understand to create the application. We will learn all of these concepts in the following tutorials. Please do learn and support us. Subscribe for your next video. See you on the next lecture.